Coffee is an important part of people's lives around the world. In Australia and the US, where I come from, it's really a necessary part to start everybody's day. Here in Indonesia, it serves the dual purpose of both being an important part of everybody's morning or afternoon or even evening routines, but also it's a livelihood opportunity.
Nah, konsumen ini kan butuh kualitas kopi yang tentu tertentu, dan kita mencoba kopi itu supaya bisa diterima oleh konsumen di pasar kopi. Nah, kebutuhan pasar ini tidak bisa kita lepas kepada proses oleh petani, karena mereka sangat terbatas. Sebenarnya bagus apabila ada keterlibatan pihak lain untuk memproses lebih lanjut dengan yang benar, sehingga kualitas kopi itu lebih bisa dinikmati oleh konsumen kopi.
Indonesian coffee was a great success in the second wave market, providing coffee for some major roasters like Starbucks and others around the world. But I think its great success in the second wave held it back a bit from the third wave. I think really the Indonesian third wave scene here has grown so much that it has helped catalyze the opportunities for export into those markets abroad. So I think coffee enthusiasts in Australia and in Indonesia look for many of the same things. They look for a really delicious cup of coffee. They look for consistency in the cup. In Australia, you have more of an espresso-based culture, whereas here in Indonesia, you have more of a pour-over or a black coffee drinking culture. But I think at the core of that is really great quality coffee, which Indonesia produces a lot of, and I think there's a great opportunity to bring more of it to the world while maintaining its character as an Indonesian coffee.
Nah, ada dua hal sebenarnya yang harus dilakukan untuk meningkatkan demand ke Australia. Pertama, itu adalah harus memenuhi standar dan kualitas yang diinginkan oleh para roaster ataupun penikmat kopi di Australia. Kedua, bagaimana sebenarnya Indonesia harus bisa bersaing dari segi harga. Saat ini kopi Indonesia itu adalah salah satu kopi termahal di dunia untuk commercial grade-nya. Jadi kalau misalnya kopi Indonesia itu bisa bersaing dengan origin lainnya, saya yakin kopi Indonesia bisa banyak diterima di Australia.